So I don't know what exactly was in. Hello, my name is Shantel from Shantel is Probably Sorry. I don't have any intro comments. This is Black Lightning 113, also known as, I'm pretty sure, the season finale called Shadow of Death, the Book of War. Sorry this is coming out so late. I got put off by stuff. I was busy.
The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X. Hey, go wait in the car, son.
And now he does that with
I'll be right back.
his kids. And this will always have amazing soundtrack. I really love that about this show, the soundtrack. I like the color against the black and white. And the song goes so well with what's happening visually. Oh, God, wow. What is this song? I'm gonna find it. Look at that.
That spooky looking woman with him? She's called Cyanide. She was found in a dumpster when she was an infant with her umbilical cord wrapped around her neck. When she was fully grown, he had carbon fiber body armor implanted under her skin.
Okay, so that's what that was.
If she wasn't crazy before that procedure, Si, what do you think? Should we accept painkillers or policy?
Good question.
The laws of...
I love how I was questioning everyone's name. Like, last episode I found out that Cyanide was named Cyanide. And last episode I was like, I'm assuming that Khalil is named after someone in the comics. Or is now someone in the comics. And everyone was like, Painkiller. So now I know he's Painkiller. And they literally are giving all the answers right now.
They are bioweapons. And we have to have more of them than anyone else. It is up to us to make damn sure. Let's make America great again. Failure is not an option.
I hate that has been incorporated so heavily into our society and like pop culture.
You see, kids from...
It's a controversial phrase. There's lots of disagreement and opinions about the phrase, which is why I see it so heavily incorporated in television shows and television shows that seek to produce commentary.
Some about your velour tracksuit wearing ass, I just like dragging. Anyway.
Ooh, Lala.
Eventually, everyone you kill is gonna come back to haunt your black ass. Tattooing themselves on your body until there's no skin left. Tattoo man.
Someone suggested that he was a tattoo man. Good job, you. They were like, I think Lala is a tattoo man. So, yay. And again, you know, I said this earlier, how they just are releasing like all the names. Like, I've never heard these names in this series before. I mean, I've heard of them from looking them up, and people who read the comics know them, but otherwise, I've never heard their names. And they're just all being dropped today.
Whose life is this?
Mine.
And what are you gonna do with it?
Live it by any means necessary.
Speak up, son. What are you gonna do with it?
Live it by any means necessary.
Oh,
Exactly.
I love this. I have the chills.
Love you, son.
Love you too, Dad.
Cuffs hurt. They too tight.
Don't try to tell me you people aren't used to those. Where's Tobias Whale?
Love you too, son. But you can't stay here.
It's like all the shows that have a character die do this type of thing. Like, we see them in the afterlife, and then someone's like, you can't stay here, you gotta go. And then the character doesn't, like, stay dead. Oh, the smiles. Oh my God, the smile. It's so beautiful. Wow. I stan.
It's about time.
I stan a family. I stan a family, oh my God. Oh, his powers are gone.
My powers.
Jennifer? Oh, Jennifer, that's enough. You're trembling.
Oh, wow.
Okay, Mom.
The chills I have.
You are making a habit of saving my life, young lady.
This is what we do.
Jeff. Even if you win,
Let's do this.
Stan. Stan. Oh my god. I'm good. I've heard this song recently.
advancing.
What is this song?
Got eyes on location.
I feel like I've heard it in another Black Lightning episode, but I probably haven't. Holy crap.
What? I grew up hunting with my dad. Now let's end this, because I want my damn life back.
I grew up hunting with my dad. Okay.
Firefighting North Freeland. Military team. I think that black son of a bitch keeps rising from the dead. But this time is good for me.
Practice best or all committed.
I'm tired of Tobias, honestly.
Sir.
I'm not gonna even lie.
Fire multiple parts.
Oh. That's why I know it. Oh. Who you are. Dang it. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I have heard that song really recently. Like within the last... I think it was in another show I watched, actually. Wow. It's Harry Potter and Voldemort. It looks like crumping or stepping, the way he moves his arms. They both have that hand motion involved. It's like a lot like stepping, actually.
I am a federal agent. You will bring the weight of the United States government down on your heads.
That's bull. The first Freeland experiment killed a lot of kids.
I would have wound up on welfare in prison anyway.
Wow.
My favorite person in the universe, sorry. What if he's wearing Kevlar? I don't see any blood. Oh wow.
Dr. Stamps.
Okay, so then why was there no blood when he was being dragged away? Like, did they just not think to use fake blood?
Long live the king.
First order of business. Ripping the damn light out of Black Lightning. Well, damn. Thank the man.
So whatever it is, it's glowing green. I'm pretty sure that the serum that Tobias was taking, or that Tobias takes in order to remain young and grow stronger, glows green. Green light doesn't glow. That was a glow. It could also be the vaccine though. So I don't know what was in the briefcase, but I just know that the serum Tobias injects is also a green glow. Okay, so let me confirm that this was actually the season finale. I hope it is. Wow, that was a little shady. By that I meant, though I love this show and I'm going to miss it when it's gone on hiatus, I'm okay with not having to do a video for it every week. That was, in fact, the season finale. I did write down stuff to say. I am looking forward to the second season because, yes, I know that we were renewed for a second season. I'm looking forward to the second season. I'm not 100% sure that I will be doing reactions, but if nothing comes up, I'll probably be doing this. I'm not 100% I'll be doing videos for season 2, but I am leaning towards yes. So in Black Lightning 110, which I did re-upload a condensed reaction / review for that, I am working on re-uploading some of the videos of mine that have been blocked on copyright grounds, well, editing and then re-uploading. But in 110, I said, I'm looking forward to Jen learning how to control her powers, because regardless of whether or not she joins their fighting team, which for a while at least, it looks like she's not, unless some emergency happens that requires her to have to use her powers in order to save a member of her family or something. And that did happen last episode 112, where she was forced to use her powers in order to save someone in her family's life. And we're now seeing her powers progress for that very reason, and we saw her actually use her powers as a stream twice in this episode, and it's the first time that we've seen anything like that. It's not the first time we've seen her in her little ball of energy fire, whatever that is. I stand a family that saves each other's lives. I do. Pretty sure Lala's gone. Wait, no. Why would they name him the Tattoo Man or actually give his character a name just to kill him off in the finale? I doubt he's gone for that reason alone. So I think that we're going to see Lala again next season. I also think that we're going to be seeing more of Grace next season. And I'm also wondering when she's going to come into her powers, because she is supposed to have powers. So I hope we see that next season. Looks like Lady Eve is gone and not coming back. It's not that I like Lady Eve, I just really liked seeing Jill Scott on my screen. So I have a video from like last August, 6 months ago. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. 8 months ago. I have a video from 8 months ago, and I was like, I love Jill Scott. Is that Jill? Jill Scott? Good. That wasn't Jill.
What makes you who you are.
I love Jill Scott. And it seems as though with the use of Jen's powers and her positive encounters, such as like saving her dad and giving him back his powers, those really important things and good things that came out of her powers, I think she's going to start to embrace them more. It sounds like she is anyway, because she had the outro monologue and she had the intro monologue. Her voice was the first we heard in the first episode of this season, which was the first season. So we started off the season with Jen and we ended the season with Jen. I wonder if they're gonna keep doing that or if that was just because it was the first season. And it sounded like she was more ready to embrace her powers. I'm guessing we're gonna see more about those metas. We're just thinking that it's a possibility that we would see more of those metas in the next season. But overall, a pretty good first season. That didn't really feel like a season finale either. I think DC's Legends of Tomorrow season 3 didn't feel like a season finale for me either, for some reason. Except you could tell it was a season finale because of the way they were wrapping up the episode or wrapping up details. But other than that, you know, it just doesn't feel like a series finale. Or maybe it's just me, or not a series, a season. It's season finale, not a series finale. But I did enjoy that. I do enjoy this show. And the soundtrack, I mean. Okay, well, I guess that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Share this if you know anyone who wants to see it. I will more than likely see you next season, but I guess we'll see how that works. You can check out my channel, my playlist, or my description to see what other shows I watch and what else I do, and subscribe if any of those things interest you. I am trying, well, not trying, I am re-uploading edited versions of videos of mine that have been blocked just so they can be up and not be blocked because of the fact that I put so much work into them the first time. It's like all that work, everything that was discussed in the video, gone, which makes it like, why'd I even do it in the first place? Anyway, though, hope you're having a wonderful existence, and I guess that brings me to bye.
But the pods from stage 1 are failing. Actually, the pods are okay. The subjects themselves.
I'm okay with not CW machines. Y'all are so annoying. Though I love this show and I'm gonna miss it when it's gone.
When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Big mood.
Sir.
Yo, there's Deadpool 2, like, are those bullets raining on him? You know what? No. No. Let me just look up what I'm looking up so that this can be done. And then also, it's a reanimation spell. Who knows the extent. I'm going to throw something through my window. No. I swear they feel the blood on me. I definitely spelled lightning wrong. I'm not fixing it though. I am fixing it actually. Again, the way she's progressing into her powers. Junior, get away from there. Get away from there. Get away from there. Or I'm going to kick you out of my room. Don't do that. You know better. Oh, that is a splinter. I do have a splinter. Okay, I knew that hurt earlier today. I knew that hurt. It's a splinter. I'm like, why is my thumb red? And I pulled the splinter out. Y'all didn't really need to know that. Oh God, you could probably see my hands and saw that I squeezed my thumb. Well, at least it's gone. Goodbye. Bye. 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 That's the wrong side. I should have gone from this side.